Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to a Simple Stories Saturday. We are playing today with Simple Stories Heart Eyes. It's a collection I kind of cut into not too far back that I wanted to kind of use up. And I've got these awesome photos of my son and some pink sunglasses, so I thought that would be perfect. So he's wearing these pink sunglasses and he is being his silly self. I've cut them down. I had more actually, but I cut them down to 3 1/4 by 4 because we are going to also follow along with the sketch of the day for 30 Days of Sketches from Christy's Beautiful Life. This is series 11 and they're all custom sketches or exclusive sketches just to 31 Days of Sketches. So we have this one actually by Adam Westwood. So Scrappy Adam on YouTube and Instagram. This is his sketch. I like it actually quite a bit, so we're gonna play with it. I am going to start with so this is an old scrap room kit, so there's a lot. There's some, I think it was a double shot kit, so you had 2 pieces of cardstock, so I already used one, and then you got 3 pieces of paper. So we got the journaling elements one, which I might cut some of these out and use some of them. And then we got the simple page pieces. So I've got already a title set, some hearts, some tickets, some fun stuff. We've got, this one's called Love Notes. So it's this beautiful on this side with the floral. I did a fish page with it, so I cut out a bunch of the colors to back some fish for Confessions of a Paper Addict. But then I'm going to back my photos with some of this pink and if I can some of this black, or I might even just gut this black and we'll use that. I haven't decided. And then this beautiful paper, this one's called I Heart You. So it's got all these emojis on one side but all these stripes. And so with this sketch, and then I just threw my photos on the floor, with the sketch, you can see there's like frames. So I'm going to kind of have the frames, but I'm going to use these stripes to create some of my other frames. So they're going to be pieced together, but I think it's going to be kind of a fun look. So let me get my photos backed. I'm going to cut this cardstock down. I think I will trim this one down. So this will be my first layer. I think we're going to gut this so I have black just in case I do want it. And then I'm going to start cutting some of these strips so I can create a frame because I'm going to need all of them. I'm going to need as many of them as I can to create a border all the way around. And then I might cut out some of these elements. And then I'll get all these out and kind of start arranging. But that is the plan so far. Okay, so I got those strips laid down all the way around and I kept going. So I got 2 layers and I just used the white cardstock like as my kind of guide. So my outside layer isn't as thick as what the sketch is, but because I did it that way, to me it kind of looks like how he had in his sketch the scribbled lines here. So I'm not going to add those because I like what I've got going on. I cut apart the My Heart so I could layer it like that. Double matted just 2 of the photos and left the one just single matte, which I think works. Grabbed all the ephemera out of that title build page, or this Simple Pages the pages pieces. There's tons of little heart sayings in there. Got them all on. I'm really liking this. This is turning out really cute. So I think I'm going to leave it like this. I don't think I'm going to add, because I've got some clusters where he has the stars. I've got something down here where he had the heart and then some lines. So that's a good journaling spot. I don't think I'm going to add anything else. I will add black splatters though. So I'm going to get this glued down. I'm going to add black splatters and that is it, you guys. So thank you for watching. I really like the way this is turning out. Adam, thanks for a great sketch. And make sure you check out everybody else who's playing along with Simple Stories Saturday down below, as well as the link for the 30 Days of Sketches playlist will be down there as well. Give all the people creating today some love, and we'll see you next time.